Hi friends. This video introduce how to find the best Black Friday deals in all shopping platform. Black Friday is an informal name for the Friday following Thanksgiving Day in the United States, which is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November. Let's see how to find the best Black Friday deals in all shopping platform. First you go to blackfriday.com website. Now you can see the interface of the blackfriday.com website. You can see all shopping platform in here. Walmart Black Friday deals, Amazon Black Friday deals, Target Black Friday deals, Macy's Black Friday deals, Kohl's Black Friday deals, Best Buy Black Friday deals, Gulda, Academy Sports and Outdoors, GameStop, Lowe's, Newegg, Microsoft Store Black Friday deals, JCPenney, Home Depot, Costco, Sam's Club Thanks Savings Sale, Dell, Belk Black, Staples, HP, Kohl's Toy, Amazon Toy, Dick's Sporting Goods, Pet Supplies Plus, Adorama, Nikon, Music and Arts, Hallmark, Lane Bryant, Gander Outdoors, Mattress Firm, Harbor Freight, American Eagle, Beals Florida, Family Dollar, Pep Boys Black Friday deals in here. Let's see Walmart Black Friday deals. You can see Walmart Black Friday 2020 information. "12 pages in here. Apple AirPods Pro. Do you want to buy it? Click Get Deal. You can buy here. Let's see Amazon Black Friday deals. "10 pages in. Friday deals. 32 pages in here. Wow. There are many products. I think this video is very interesting for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click bell icon. Any doubts, comment here. See you in next video.